What if I told you you are already a billionaire? Not because of the money in your bank account, but because of the immeasurable value that already exists within you. Every breath you take, every heartbeat, every thought, every movement, your body, your mind, and your very existence are priceless beyond measure. Let's break it down. Your body alone is worth billions. Think about this. If you were to sell every cell in your body, how much do you think you'd be worth? Scientists estimate the human body contains around 37 trillion cells. If we valued each cell at just 1 cent, you'd already be worth $370 billion in raw biological material alone. But let's go deeper. Organs are priceless. People have insured their body parts for millions. Cristiano Ronaldo insured his legs for $144 million. Mariah Carey's voice is insured for $35 million. Some models have insured their faces for millions of dollars. Bone marrow is valued at roughly $23,000 per gram, making it more expensive than gold. Human DNA is being sold for thousands per sample in scientific research. Your body is not just a temple, it's a walking fortune. Your breath alone is worth more than gold. Now, let's talk about something you take for granted: air. If you were to buy oxygen to stay alive, the cost would be astronomical. Just one hospital ventilator supplying oxygen 24/7 costs around $5,000 per day. Over a lifetime, millions of dollars. Yet, you breathe for free every single second. Can you see how wealthy you already are? Your mind is limitless wealth. Your mind has unlimited earning potential. Unlike money, which can run out, your ability to think, learn, and create has no cap. Consider this. Albert Einstein, Oprah Winfrey, and Steve Jobs started with nothing. Just their minds, their ideas, and their ability to focus. You can learn any skill in today's world. YouTube, books, mentors. Education is more accessible than ever before. The world's greatest wealth is not in banks. It's in human ideas and imagination. Your intelligence, creativity, and focus are billion-dollar assets. The only question is, are you using them? Your heart and relationships are beyond priceless love, connection, and relationships. These are things money can never buy. No billionaire can buy true love. No amount of money can purchase real happiness. A hug from a loved one is worth more than gold. You are already rich with the people who care about you and the love you give to the world. You have the power to expand time. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to do more in a day than others? That's because time is not fixed. It's about focus and energy. Billionaires don't have more hours in the day than you. They just prioritize better. By focusing on what matters, cutting distractions, and using your mind effectively, you can expand time and get 10 times more done without working harder. Time is a mental concept, and you have the power to stretch it. You were born rich beyond measure. The most powerful realization? Money can't buy you. You can't buy the miracle of being born a human. You can't buy the ability to breathe, love, think, or dream. You can't buy your spirit, energy, or potential. You are already a billionaire in resources, potential, and opportunity. The only difference between someone struggling and someone thriving is how they use what they already have. Final thought: your true wealth lies within. So, the next time you doubt yourself, remember, you are already walking wealth. You have a billion-dollar body. You have a limitless mind. You have time, focus, and creativity at your fingertips. Your only job? Activate your built-in billionaire resources. Start thinking bigger. Start valuing yourself. Start using what you've already been given, because you are already rich beyond measure. You are not poor. You have never been poor. You are rich with everything you need to create the life you desire. Now go out there and use it.